Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can fix a disabled account in chess.com. Now, if you want to fix a disabled account, you might want to use chess.com still. You can still do this thing even if you're not logged in. You want to click on the cogwheel or settings icon here on the lower left hand side like so. This pop-up will appear. Next, you want to click on help and support, and this small pop-up will appear again. This is going to be a chat box, and you want to here find your answer. When it comes to like disabled account, click enter. It's going to show you whatever article that might be related to your issue. But if you don't find anything here, you might just click on get more help like so. So now here you're pretty much going to talk to their chatbot and just type here your specific issue. Now, if you have been banned, or if your account has been disabled because you have been banned, you might want to contest that. But for the most part, you might need just create a new account so that you don't need to worry about that and just don't get banned. But aside from that, they might be able to help you for the most part. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.